Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, which keyboard app you're using and the Android version. This matters because emoji sets differ. Open Settings now, go to System or General Management, then tap Language and Input or Keyboard. Once there, select the keyboard app you use. You do this to access keyboard settings directly. It's faster and avoids guessing. Make sure any third-party keyboard is installed and enabled in input methods, so you can change its emoji pack or theme in the next step. Once inside the keyboard settings, tap the app name, for example, Gboard or SwiftKey, and look for Theme, Emoji, or Advanced options. You choose Theme to switch visual style or emoji style if the app offers multiple sets. If the keyboard supports downloadable emoji packs, install them here. Otherwise, update the app from Play Store to get the latest Unicode support. This step changes how emojis render on your device versus how others see them, because emoji artwork is drawn by your keyboard or system. Finish by applying your new settings and testing. Open Messages or Notes and insert several emoji to confirm the change. If you don't see the new artwork, restart the keyboard or reboot the phone. That forces the system to reload resources. Make sure the keyboard is set as the active input method. If problems persist, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall the keyboard. Sometimes Android uses cached emoji images. That solves most issues and ensures your chosen emoji style displays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.